So we're just about to stop at Bali Handara Golf Course, which is one of the really good Instagrammable spots around this area, which you'll have seen all over Instagram. So stay tuned for some good looking pics and some drone footage. Okay, so I've reached the starting point for our trek down to the waterfalls. So it's a great day up here in the north. The sun's out. It's not too warm actually. It's a lot cooler up here than it is down in Kuta and Ubud, which is good because our youngest daughter Marley, she's not a big fan of hills. So we will see how this goes. There could be a lot of whinging, complaining and moaning, but I'm sure the trek will be worth it. So we're having a bit of a pit stop here for a feed before we hit the water slides. The girls have got fresh coconuts and we have some treats, which is rice wrapped in banana leaves and pumpkin wrapped in banana leaves with brown sugar, and they look fantastic. So Willow's unwrapping the rice and coconut with brown sugar treat. I like it. I'm going back for another one. And actually they are fantastic, so I tried one too. And we got some nice coffee.
Okay, good morning. This tour is very different tour. So those who are looking for something hidden, you better come to the North of Bali. North of Bali is very well known for its beautiful sceneries, waterfalls, and then especially for these tours, we're going to do water sliding, natural water sliding, and then also water jumping, and then visit 7 waterfalls. Yeah, we will see the hidden rice terraces, one of the most beautiful rice terraces in Bali. Yeah, so you need to travel further north from Ubud to get to here, about more or less 2 hours drive. But on the way you can see a beautiful lake, and then monkeys, feeding monkeys, and finally arrive here and then exploring the hidden area here with a local guide, and then take you to see the nice area, beautiful green. There's lots of plantations, fruits like durians, mangosteens, and then coconut, and then we stop for a coffee break in a very simple place here. So it's very nice tours. They're very beautiful, that you will for sure enjoy the trip with us here. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, sure.
No.
So we just crossed that little river that comes from these gorgeous waterfalls. The Sugub, how do you say it again? Sugumbu waterfalls. Aren't they magnificent? We're getting absolutely drenched standing underneath them, but it's so nice in the heat. So green around it. It's just gorgeous. So this is Fiji Waterfalls. So there are actually 3 waterfalls here. 1, 2, and 3. Already some people over there deciding how they're going to swim. Okay, when we were coming down, we just wanted to see the waterfalls. Needless to say, we did not think about the maybe 1,000 extremely steep steps we have to go back up. They're all pretty much like that.
After seeing some amazing rice terraces, natural water slide, waterfalls, we've come to a restaurant to have some food. We've got some satay going on, some fried chicken, some noodles. What an absolutely great place to eat and finish our tour. Here. Now just getting some snacks for the way back. There's our fabulous guide over there that took us over hill and through dale and in the mud and in the rain, and now we're back to where we started. We've arrived safely back with Panca, back from an amazing day's tour up in northern Bali, where we've seen some amazing sights and done some really fantastic things. Certainly book with Bali Customized Tours if you're looking to do something totally unique and see some sights in Bali.